Reinvent the look of your 1994 to 1998 Ford Mustang and improve night driving with new headlights from Anzo USA. Installation is simple and only takes a couple of hours. These are the hand tools you'll need for the installation. Begin by disconnecting your vehicle's negative battery terminal. Remove the 10mm nut that holds the side marker light to the fender. This nut will not be needed for your new Anzo headlight. Slide the side marker toward the outside of the vehicle and remove it. Now, you may remove the bulb and socket from the back side of the marker light. Remove the upper retainer clip from the headlight with your needle nose pliers. Use your 12mm combination wrench over the retainer clips to push the headlight out. Once the headlight is out, disconnect the factory harness from the bulb and fully remove the headlight. Locate the two bare red wires on your new Anzo headlight. Connect one of the red wires from the headlight harness to the red wire on the parking light circuit on your vehicle. Now locate the two black wires on your Anzo headlight and connect the remaining red wire to one of the black wires. Splice the two red wires to the parking light power wire on your vehicle's headlight harness. Now, locate the two bare black wires on your Anzo headlight and splice the two red wires to the parking light power wire on the same headlight harness. Splice the remaining black wire to the ground circuit. Repeat the previous steps for the other headlight on the opposite side of the vehicle. Install your new Anzo headlights and follow the instructions in reverse to reassemble your vehicle. Check the function of your new Anzo headlights once they're both installed. Before driving your car on the road, aim your new Anzo headlights using your factory manual, or watch our Aiming Your Anzo Headlights video. Don't get left in the dark. Visit AnzoUSA.com to see all of our performance lighting products for your vehicle.